Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Shafira Izzati binti Zahim. I'm from 5 Dinamik and I'm a SMK Abdurrahman Talib student. So, have you ever wondered how do submarines work? How can they float and sink at our own will? So, I'm going to demonstrate it and explain how it works through the model of Cartesian Diver. Okay, but before that, let's learn how to make one. All you need is a water bottle filled with water, paper clips, and a straw. Fold the straw like this and cut it out. Take the paper clips and attach it into the straw. And now diver is ready. Open up the bottle and put the diver into it. Press the diver so air bubble will flow up. And you are ready. The model is done. Okay, so this is our model that we made. A Cartesian Diver model. So, as you can see, when we don't do anything on the bottle, the diver is floating. But when we press on it, the diver will sink. And when we release it, the diver will float again. So, what is actually happening here? Let me explain it to you guys. Okay, so as you can see, when the diver floats on the surface of water, there are air trapped in it and also water in the diver. So, the weight of the diver is equal to the buoyant force. So, when the weight is equal to the buoyant force, the diver will float because the resultant force is 0. Okay, so what happens when you press the water bottle? When you press the water bottle, more water will enter into the diver. So, weight will increase. When weight increase, the weight is greater than the buoyant force. So, when weight is greater than buoyant force, the resultant force is downwards. So, the diver will sink. When you release the water bottle, the pressure in the water bottle will decrease and the water in the diver will flow out. So, the air trap in the diver will increase. When the air trap in the diver increase, the weight of the diver will decrease. So, the buoyant force will be greater than the weight. When the buoyant force is greater than the weight, it causes the resultant force upwards and the diver will rise. So, how do submarines apply the same concept? Submarines have ballast tank where the water will flow in and out. When the submarine wants to sink, the weight must be greater than the buoyant force. So, water will enter the ballast tank, causing the weight of the submarine to increase. Thus, the weight will be greater than the buoyant force and the submarine will sink. How does the submarine rise again? The submarine will rise again by flowing out the water. By flowing out the water, water level will decrease. When the water level decrease, the weight of the submarine will also decrease. The weight of the submarine is less than the buoyant force. When the weight of the submarine is less than the buoyant force acting on it, the submarine will rise. Okay, that's all. I hope you all understand how do submarines work and how do they submerge and emerge in the sea, based on my explanation and demonstration from the Cartesian model. Thank you. Bye-bye.